homeless girl, and yeah, this is gonna go ahead and get started. Yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Oh my gosh, I just can't sleep thinking about how everybody has these mansions and has like billions of dollars, and I'm sitting here with barely any money, bored, and just ugh. I'm gonna go looking at the shop, wishing that I could go buy something that you never know. Maybe one day. Just one day.
What else do you put in this? You got it. Eggs. Crackers, mustard, ketchup. Mustard, ketchup.
Oh my gosh, this stuff is like, oh, I'm so hungry, but this stuff is like amazing. Oh, I love that. Wow, it's so beautiful. And hi, how are you, Fabian? What's your name? Nothing, thanks.
Really? Yeah. I just got the bots and mustard.
Hi, let me know if you need anything. I'd like to buy some clothes. Oh my gosh, so much money. Sit down. Do you need anything? No. Okay. Oh my gosh, there goes another rich bitch. Evie? Hi. Oh, okay. Well, how much is an apartment? For sale. A rentable suite for $250 a day.
We don't have that.
Never mind. I need a shower. I stink. Well, time to go to sleep. Oh my god, that's such a scary dream. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Daddy, can you go bye-bye? Can you go bye-bye, Daddy?
Oh my gosh, that was so scary.
Go bye-bye, Daddy.
I'm so glad this morning. Oh my god.
Oh god.
That's what a homeless person does, has bad dreams every night. I hate being a homeless person. Oh my gosh, that burger looks so tasty. I'm so dang hungry. And I have low on energy. I need a shower. Oh my gosh.
Everybody does not like chocolate cake. I don't like chocolate cake.
I hate chocolate cake. Oh my gosh, this door. I hate automatics.
I don't like chocolate cake.
Oh, okay, people always leave on my... Oh, Gnome burger? only.
Plug you in, plug you in.
This is the only thing that I can buy. Let's look at the hood. Bread.
Daddy go bye-bye without you.
How much is this bread?
Did Daddy go bye-bye
$9.
Daddy!
How much is this chocolate bar? I need something to eat. $12 and bread's only $9? Dude, what kind of shit face is that? $11 for tortilla chips. This place is getting high priced every day. How much is this stuff? $13 dollars. What's this? This looks good. Nuts for $22. Dang. Ooh, how much is this? Oh well. This is in the freezer, must be good. Butter for $18. How much is this? $5 for milk. At least tell me the eggs are at least a reasonable price. I'm so bored. $7 for eggs. There's nothing here for $1? Welcome to 812. How are you? Fascinating.
I think it looks really smart. The sign.
There's only one place that I can go besides this place that will actually like me. Hi, Spencer! Welcome to my dealership. Would you like to see my selection? What do you sell here? Cars? Oh!
Sex toys.
So Spencer, how are you today? I'm good.
You just tell me shut up. Rusty. Wanna go bye-bye with Daddy?
You been getting better? I think I'm getting worse. Yeah, that's alright. It's just life. So, how are you? I'm good. I go to work. I'll come back in like 15 minutes when I'm not so busy. Oh, okay. See ya. See ya.
You wanna go bye-bye with Daddy?
Oh, that's new. Look, over there. There's this thing. It's ice. Do they sell ice here? Going. Says ice. Dang it, it's raining. Oh. Is it free? Hi, my name's Craig. Hey, my name is Craig. Hi. This is a new thing called ice. Do you want to join? Is it free? Yes. Sure, anything to get out of. Yeah, sure. Anyway, just step in and go meet Derek. He's the person. Oh, okay. He's the person at the DJ. Alrighty. See ya. See ya. I love this song. My mom used to play it for me when I was a child. Oh, hi there. Hi. Step right here. Step right there. Do you know how to DJ? No. Do you know how to sing? I don't know. Never tried. Oh my gosh. You're the first. I mean, glad you come because I need. Yeah. How much money do you have? Like $5. If I'm like 25 cents off of $5. Dang, yeah. Are you homeless? Yeah. A lot of homeless people come here. And not very many stays though, because it's a hard job and they will crazy stuff. I know. So, think you can do it? Yeah. Alright. Go meet that guy up there? Yeah, go meet him. Okay. Oh, I see the light shine bright. Hey, quit singing and get it though. Out, I don't want you. We only allow guys. Oh, okay, yeah, get them. Go. I can't believe it. What is this? A hospital? Ooh. There's nobody here. Nobody at all. Maybe this is just an abandoned hospital. I wonder why it was abandoned. Hello? 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 Anybody here? I need a job. Job. Hello? Hello? Oh. Are you alright, sir? Help. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Oh my gosh, you look dehydrated. Oh my gosh. They don't take care of people in this hospital. Oh, in the bathroom. Huh? Tries to open the door. I'm trying to open the door. I can't. Oh my gosh. What? Say Bloody Mary.
You said goodbye to one of the babies.
No, I don't want to. Okay. Wow! Bloody Mary! Water! Bloody Mary! Bloody Mary! Bloody Mary! Better! I can't control my body. And that is the end of my story. Bye! Sorry, it was sketchy, by the way. It was just off, like, 5 seconds off the top of my head, like, what to do next. I was like, oh, okay. So, yeah. Bye.